Hey everybody and welcome back. If your Instagram Explorer page is not loading and you are wondering how to fix that issue, today we are going to guide you through some steps for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. Open up Instagram for that. And once you open up Instagram, you can log in into your account if you're not logged in and try accessing your Explorer page. So if you're not able to access your Explorer page, you can ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. So you can head over and look out for the Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you connected, and you can test your speed to confirm it is fast enough for the application to function properly. If that does not work, you can update the application and the device as well. So you can head over to Play Store for that and tap on it. And once you go to Play Store, go to the search. And once you go to the search, you can just go over and search for Insta. And after you search for Insta, you can just go over and look out for the update option if there is any kind of update available for the Instagram application, as well as you can install the latest update for your operating system as well. Go to your phone settings for that. And once you access your settings, scroll down, look out for the option of software update and tap on it and update your software to the latest version available. Also, restart the app and the device. So you can go over and force close the Instagram, hold it up, go to the info, and from the info, look out for the force stop option and select it and click on OK. Once you do so, you can open up the Instagram application once again and see if the Explore page loads on your screen. If not that, you can clear the cache of the application. So hold the app and go to the info tab and select it. Once you select it, you can just go over and look out for the storage section and tap on it. And once you go to storage, look out for the clear cache and tap on it, and also clear the data if necessary. And that's it. Those are the solutions you can definitely try up, or you can wait for some time because sometimes the Instagram's server may be down. So you can check it out and try accessing the Instagram application itself. So that is it, everybody. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.